Plants are a perfect choice for a healthy diet, natural skincare, and medicinal uses, but did you know they are also a key ingredient for better sleep? I'm Lynn, owner of Open Your Eyes Bedding, where I sell my do-it-yourself organic mattress kits. The project for this grant application will take making your own mattress to the mainstream market. You may ask, why would someone choose to make their own mattress when there are so many natural mattresses on the market to choose from? We have found the only way to really know what your mattress contains is to make it yourself. Federal laws require all manufacturers to flame test their mattresses, which ensures that flame retardant chemicals will be added. The chemicals that are chosen do not need to be proven safe for human contact. Wool is simply not enough. Many organic mattress companies add wool to claim it as their fire barrier, but they may not be telling you the real story. There are no organic laws pertaining to mattresses. Even organic labeled mattresses can legally contain these unsafe chemicals. We use organically grown seed hulls as our main mattress filling choice, as they are naturally flame resistant. Hulls can pass the large flame tests without the use of chemicals, and also make the perfect contouring sleep surface. Our new product is a layered mattress, made from mattress topper covers you can fill with natural plant materials we sell on our store. Since 2-inch mattress toppers can be sold as components, they fall into the category of pillows and bedding, which the federal government does not regulate. We have already done the hard work. We searched the planet for the best natural bedding materials we now have in stock ready to ship. The do-it-yourself part comes after your materials and covers arrive. Simply fill your mattress covers by pouring in your natural materials and zipping them closed. If our project is selected for one of the grants, we will use the money to fabricate enough of the GOTS certified organic topper covers to get this product off the ground. Every one of our do-it-yourself kits sold means one less conventional mattress will end up in a landfill, as our kits are 99% biodegradable. In order to bring our new mattress kit project into the mainstream market, we will also use the grant funds to create a marketing campaign aimed to open people's eyes to what their mattresses may actually contain. Thank you for helping us create a sleep revolution, allowing people to claim their right to sleep on healthy, chemical-free mattresses.